Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Da ka jingtmu bandrat dingkong ya ka jingkta uduma bat ki secret ka bakta jur om tangi ki bapunan kam ne di bat kta ru wat ki tu ki paj ba ki bering men siem ya ka tedam ba mi na secret ka sarkar jilla ling baka an balatep kom ka Cigarette and Other Tobacco Product Act 2003 kala rai ban pentri kam na ka benta ban khang persya ya ka di duma ne secret hagi jaka paj ba kani ka jingtmu ka sarkar ban pentri kam ya ketika an kala pau perthai mentang sngi ha ka program aji kai Shapang ka jingkta secret balatep kom ka district level coordination committee meeting and orientation of stakeholder bala pelong ha conference hall ka office district medical and health officer ka Ribhoi district nongpo lingba ka National Tobacco Control Program u additional deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi u ba DP Kharsati ulalong kumukong san hagani ka program aji kai bat lasakhi langru ya ka jingran lang u additional SP ka Ribhoi u ba VDS Rambai ki officer nakatnat ka khoi ka khya ki noi lam gilong keme nagishnang pher ka Ribhoi district bat ya ka jinglang la penyat do district medical and health officer ka Ribhoi u Dr M Mauri ki laingut ki officer na katnat ka khoi ka khya pakan thop ka state nodal officer ka Dr LL Nongbri ka district nodal officer ka NTCP ka Dr V Maulong ban u state program officer tobacco control u L Sanga kilawan ban ajing pechai ni hikai halor ki an pher ki pakan thop na ka jing shakta ha uduma ne secret ha bakran hagani sngi kumkong san uba DP Kharsati ADC ka Ribhoi ulaong bakum kini ka program IG kai kalau ka badan kam haro kata bat kadan kam bandan kata ka jing trelang khnang ba ka thong jing sarkar ban ya dai ki pat ba na ka jing kata uduma ne secret kan long ka job ki noi kai hagani sngi na do ka state nodal officer ka Dr LL Nongbri ka district nodal officer ka NTCP ka Dr V Maulong bat state program officer of tobacco control u El Sanga kila aji kai ka basai bat bnya halor ka jingkta uduma bat secret bat kila penchairu kat kum ki kendon aj ba pher ka COTPA ba ki baile persya ken ngat bej ha ka jing pistom lani wat hadu put man sya set potong ha kini sngi kitai kino aji kai syaki pat ba ki lawan mensimita kini ka program aji kai kila kham ban khiaru halor ka section 4 5 6 bat 7 ki badai ki kendon jong ka COTPA ki ba perking bha na ka jingta uduma ne secret kum ka jingdi duma ne secret ki chaka pat ba ka jingdi duma ne secret syaki hebren ha ka balada ka an kalap ken hab ban sya dan kuna ne wat hadu put ban sya set patok.
Tobacco now has become a public menace and we have to work together to eradicate its use, especially from public places. In that act, control of tobacco, there will be a phrase of the penal sections if you smoke in a public place. In fact, the act also envisages to reduce the production, the sale and consumption of tobacco products. So once it's still, rampant and still easy to access, their use also will still be rampant. So the Act has envisaged that with time, even the production of tobacco products will be brought down. In fact, all stakeholders also to take responsibility and work jointly to put up signage in various public places, informing violators about the consequences if violate the provisions of the proper Act. So I hope that this orientation program will give you an insight into how the government of India and the state government has been taking steps to eradicate this public menace, especially in public places.